What's your most embarrassing memory at Manchester?
Oh my gosh, guys. My name's Jennifer and I study sociology.
Why did you choose the University of Manchester?
Oh, so many reasons. As a Londoner, I feel like Manchester is just like a smaller version of London, but just with more community as well. And I really just like the vibe here.
Nice little student community. What's your favourite thing about studying sociology at the University of Manchester?
There's just like the modules that you can pick, the options you have, the free choice, like being able to pick something from philosophy, for example, that's so cool. And I really like the help that we get as students and also the free reign we really have. I love that. And I like that we can conduct our own studies and get help with that. It's just really nice. I love it.
What's your favourite memory having studied at Manchester then?
I'm gonna get emotional, guys. But I really love like the memories I've made with my friends. There's not like one specific favourite memory that I have, but maybe like a collage of memories. I really do love the friends that I've made here, and I never thought I would like make this many friends that are so genuine and they just love me and I love them so much. Like,
that's the best answer. That's so wholesome. I love that. What's your most embarrassing memory at Manchester?
So I opened Twitter and the loudest scream just came through my speakers in the quiet lecture hall, and I
would die.
I was like, well, now everybody knows me. That's nice.
That's the way of making yourself known, for sure. What are your plans after you graduate?
So I would really love to maybe work as a teacher. That like transition period from sixth form to uni really showed me just how important teachers are. And then also here at university, just how lovely we've got the instructors. I've kind of picked up on them. Like I really would love to pay that forward, I guess.
What advice would you have for somebody who's applying to study sociology at Manchester?
As an immigrant daughter, because I did not grow up here, there was, I guess, the barriers of not knowing what to do or what steps to take. So it was really difficult for me to step my foot in university. But I think what really, really helped me was my teachers at sixth form. I know that transition period, they really were helpful. And I think just asking for help, which is something that I'm not used to. So asking for help and not being scared to, it will get you far, like in life. Don't feel like you're alone. Looking at the things that could help you as well. You know, for example, I got like the special offer of like reducing my grade, and I never knew that I could do that. If I didn't talk to my teachers, I wouldn't have known. So again, like asking questions and being open to that.